the report shall provided that the report shall include the anticipated 10% of total vacancy for the next 1 year. Next, Milord 2, Subrule 2. On receipt of the report under Subrule 1, the Director of School Education, after due verifications of the sanctioning order of the post submitted by the Council and with due approval of the government, shall send the vacancy report to the West Bengal Board of Primary Education. Next, Milord, kindly skip Milord Rule 3. Next, Milord, Rule 4, Subrule 4. The advertisement for filling of the vacancies shall inter alia contain the date, place, and time for collection of the application form, the manner of submission of the application form, date and time of the Vacancy interview and aptitude test. Now, Milord, kindly take one note. So far as Vacancy and interview, nowhere it has been defined. Rule is silent, Milord. What does it mean by Vacancy and what does it mean by interview? But so far as aptitude test is concerned, it has been defined. Right? Your Lordship would get the definition of aptitude test in Rule 2C. Rule 2C says, my lord, aptitude test means a test to assess natural teaching ability of a candidate.
Yes.
Now, my lord, Rule 4.5, Subrule 5. Rule 4, Subrule 5 says, with the prior approval of the state government, the board shall have the following power to lay down the modalities, procedures, and guidelines, as the case may be. Lord, my submission is, means, Lord, board has the power to lay down the modalities, procedure, and guidelines. The modalities, procedures, and guidelines in respect of, Lord, information regarding vacancies. Lord, Rule 4 starts with the heading, Lord, information regarding vacancies. So this power was given, Lord, for the purpose of laying down the procedure for modalities, procedures, and guidelines, as the case may be. Now, A, the selection of candidates for preparation of panel for appointment, coordinate the entire procedural formalities relating to recruitment, and engage any specialized agency for the purpose. Now, my lord, my submission would be before your lordship, the engage any specialized agency for the purpose means it is for the purpose of, my lord, information regarding vacancies.
How do you come to that analogy?
Now, my lord, your lordship, my lord, kindly come to Rule 4 once again. Rule 4, my lord, heading is information regarding vacancies.
So information
regarding vacancies.
that will be given in terms of the rules
Rule
by the
4.
specialized agency.
And information, yes, my lord. My submission is, my lord, the specialized agency, if any, entrusted, that entrustment will be on the purpose of, only for the purpose of, my lord, regarding information regarding vacancies. Information regarding vacancies, not for any other purpose. Now, my lord, kindly see, my lord, next chapter starts, chapter 3, the selection and appointment. Next chapter, that is chapter 3, heading is, my lord, selection and appointment. Now, my lord, in chapter 3, your lordship, my lord, if your lordship kindly turns, my lord, Rule 7. Rule 4.5c. I will be coming to the evidence, my lord, again, my lord. Prior to that, my lord, if your lordship, my lord, kindly turns, my lord, Rule 7.
Yes.
Rule 7, my lord, its heading is, my lord, selection committee. It says, my lord, the board shall constitute the selection committee for the purpose of selection of eligible candidates and preparation of panel of such candidates for appointment of teachers in primary school within the jurisdiction of the board. That means, my lord, the board shall constitute the selection committee for the purpose of selection of eligible candidates and preparation of the panel. That means selection committee will prepare the panel. Preparation of panel of such candidate for appointment of teachers in primary school within the jurisdiction of the board. Next, rule 2, sub-rule 2. The selection committee shall normally function for a period of 2 years from the date of first meeting. Now, we'll kindly skip proviso clause. Kindly come, will rule 7.4. Rule 7.4 says, may I just place it? The board may, if necessary, constitute one or more other subcommittee for scrutiny of testimonials, for conducting interview aptitude test, and other purposes as may be required. The decision of the subcommittee or subcommittees shall be bound by the decision of the board. So, my lord, the selection committee is the main thing. The selection committee as well as subcommittee, board may from time to time form. Rules 4 says the board may, if necessary, constitute one or more other subcommittees for scrutiny of testimonials, for conducting interview, aptitude test, and for other purposes as may be required. The decision of the subcommittee or subcommittees shall be bound by the decision of the board.
Yes.
Now, my lord, there are 3 rules, my lord, I have referred to your lordship. One is, my lord, rule 2L, that defines the term, my lord, panel. One is, my lord, rule 2C, that defines the term, my lord, aptitude test. Now, my lord, other is, my lord, rule 4.5C, rule 7.1 and rule 7.4. Now, if my lord, if the combined reading of these rules or sub rules is made, then, my lord, it can be safely said only, my lord, subcommittee or selection committee is the appropriate authority to prepare the panel or to conduct the recruitment process or selection process.
Yes.
Now, my lord, rule 7, my lord, speaks about, my lord, selection committee. Now, my lord, if your lordship, my lord, kindly takes, my lord, rule 8, sub rule 5.
Yes.
Rule 8, sub rule 5, my lord, at page 108.
Yes.
It says, my lord, the selection committee shall prepare separate council-wise panels as per procedure below. Firstly, the selection committee shall segregate all eligible candidates applying for earmarked vacancies as mentioned in Note 7 to Rule 6 from other successful candidates.
Yes.
Tamilad B, Rule 7, Rule 8, 5B. Secondly, the selection committee shall prepare the following panels for the successful candidates who have applied for non-earmarked vacancies. Now, my lord, kindly consider, my lord, it speaks about the selection committee, not from any other third-party agency. It says, my lord, the selection committee shall prepare the following panels for the successful candidates who have applied for non-earmarked vacancies. Number 1, 5B, number 1. It says, a panel of all selected candidates in the district, namely unreserved category comprising the name of the candidates belonging to general category and reserved category of scheduled caste category, scheduled tribe category, OBC category A, OBC category B, PH category serially according to descending order of merit as per existing vacancies, medium wise. So, my lord, a panel should be prepared, my lord, containing the names of, my lord, the reserved candidates as well as, my lord, unreserved candidates. It is not a panel for, my lord, for reserved candidates or unreserved candidates. It is a panel, my lord, in short, my lord, from reserved to unreserved. It will go down Well, I'll show to your lordship, my lord, in 2009 as well as 2022 also, the board has prepared the panel in the same manner. But here in this case, I will also show to your lordships, the board has prepared the panel in separate segment wise. Well, it cannot be. So, my lord, everything has to be done by the selection committee. Now, my lord, kindly takes, my lord, the rule 5. Then your lordship, my lord, kindly come to, my lord, note 1. That is, my lord, rule 8.5, clause 4, note 1. Page 109, top. Note 1 says, such an alternative set of panel of selected candidates for each category in a council shall be prepared for the purpose of providing a option of reserved category candidate during the counseling to opt for posting as per position in the unreserved category or as per position in the reserved category. So, my lord, what does it mean? It says, my lord, suppose, my lord, I am a meritorious candidate. My lord, I am a meritorious candidate, but I belong to the SC category. But my name should be, my lord, included in the general list. My lord, if I cross the, my lord, minimum cut-off marks, my lord, I am a meritorious candidate, so my name should be included in the, my lord, general list. Consisting of, my lord, reserve, unreserved, and all these things. So, my lord, I have the option. I can take my.
Sorry, my lord,
Lord, I have not interpreted. I have not interpreted, sir.
These are the no.
You will get your chance in the reply. You will get
Why
your.
you are
No,
shouting?
no. I have not.
Shout.
Yes, I can
Don't
shout more
shout.
than.